top with that right hand.
But Chandler's throwing everything so hard. He's got to be careful with the cardio.
Both Gaethje and Chandler are both throwing bombs.
Artificial intelligence is quickly becoming a part of everyday life. Among the top contenders in the AI world right now are Claude AI and ChatGPT. Both of these models have their strengths and weaknesses, and they are both trying to carve out their space in the rapidly growing field of AI. But which one will dominate the future? Let's dive into what makes Claude AI and ChatGPT stand out and explore how they're shaping the future of technology. Okay, what is Claude AI? Claude AI is a relatively new player in the AI field, created by Anthropic. It was launched in 2023 and was designed to understand and process natural language in a way that is both advanced and reliable. One of its main strengths is its ability to handle large amounts of data. It excels at tasks like analyzing documents, processing complex data, and providing insights from large sets of information. This makes it a perfect fit for industries like healthcare, finance, and legal services, where data is key. What makes Claude different from some other AI models is its use of reinforcement learning. This means it learns from its mistakes and improves over time, just like a person would. So, the more it is used, the better it gets at understanding and responding. Now, what is ChatGPT? ChatGPT, on the other hand, is developed by OpenAI, and it's been around for a bit longer. It became popular because of its ability to engage in conversations that feel surprisingly human-like. ChatGPT is often used for things like customer support, content creation, and even brainstorming ideas. The AI's strength lies in its conversational abilities. Whether you're chatting about a product or asking for information, ChatGPT is designed to respond in ways that feel natural and coherent. Unlike Claude AI, ChatGPT doesn't focus as much on analyzing large amounts of data. Instead, it shines in situations where communication is key. It's particularly good at generating creative content, such as writing stories, poems, and even scripts. It also works well for quick information retrieval, making it a go-to option for people who need answers fast. Let's break down some of the key differences between Claude AI and ChatGPT. Both models have their unique features that make them stand out. Claude AI is built to handle massive datasets. It can process up to 200,000 tokens, which allows it to analyze complex documents and large amounts of data with ease. This makes it a great tool for industries that deal with tons of data every day, such as healthcare or finance. ChatGPT, on the other hand, isn't as strong in data analysis. While it can handle basic queries, it doesn't have the same level of power when it comes to processing large amounts of information. This means it's not the best choice if you're looking for detailed data analysis, but it's great for tasks like answering questions or having a conversation. When it comes to conversation, ChatGPT has the edge. It's built to have engaging, human-like conversations. Whether it's helping with a customer service inquiry or just chatting, ChatGPT is designed to feel natural and keep the conversation going. Its user-friendly interface makes it easy for anyone to jump in and start chatting right away. Claude AI, while also capable of holding conversations, isn't quite as strong in this area. It's more focused on understanding and processing complex data. So if you're looking for a chatty companion or a virtual assistant for customer support, ChatGPT might be the better choice. ChatGPT is often used for creative writing tasks. It can help generate ideas, write stories, poems, or even come up with creative solutions for a problem. It's ideal for brainstorming sessions or for anyone who needs help generating content quickly. Claude AI, however, doesn't focus as much on creativity. While it can help with tasks that require technical knowledge or detailed data analysis, it's not the first choice for creative tasks. Claude AI is designed to be highly accurate when it comes to technical tasks. It's great at answering questions that require deep knowledge or data analysis. If you need help with a complicated topic, such as legal analysis or scientific research, Claude AI can dig through large documents and deliver detailed insights. ChatGPT, while capable of handling a variety of topics, may not always offer the same depth or technical accuracy as Claude AI. It's more about having a conversation or providing basic information rather than in-depth analysis. ChatGPT has a broader global reach. It's available in over 159 countries, making it easy for people around the world to use. Plus, it has a very simple and intuitive user interface, so people can start using it right away without much of a learning curve. Claude AI, however, is currently only available in the UK and the USA. This limits its reach for users in other countries. But as Claude continues to develop, it's likely that its availability will expand in the future. Claude AI stands out for its ability to process large datasets and perform detailed analysis, making it perfect for industries like healthcare and finance. It excels in technical precision, handling tasks that require deep knowledge, such as in law and research. Additionally, Claude AI maintains coherence in long conversations or documents, making it ideal for complex content. ChatGPT, on the other hand, excels in engaging conversations, especially for customer support and casual chats. It's a powerful tool for creative tasks like blog writing, story ideas, and content generation. With its availability in over 159 countries, ChatGPT has a global reach, making it accessible to a wide audience. Looking ahead, it's clear that both Claude AI and ChatGPT are going to continue evolving. Claude AI's ability to process large amounts of data means it's well suited to become a major player in industries that rely on technical knowledge and data analysis. Its future development might include even more advanced capabilities, such as autonomous task management, which would allow it to perform tasks on its own without human intervention. ChatGPT, on the other hand, will likely continue to improve its conversational abilities. We may see it getting even better at understanding human emotions or becoming more adept at handling complex queries in a conversational style. Its creative abilities will likely grow as well, making it an even more powerful tool for writers, marketers, and other content creators. Also, Andriy Shutka, ML expert, highlights that both Claude AI and ChatGPT are strong contenders in the AI space. He finds it exciting to explore these models and determine which one suits specific NLP tasks better. Each AI model has its unique strengths. The key is matching the right model to the business needs it aims to address. So, which AI will dominate? The question of which AI will dominate the future really depends on what you need it to do. If your business or industry relies on handling large amounts of data, processing documents, or performing detailed technical tasks, Claude AI is likely the better option for you. Its ability to manage complex data and provide in-depth insights makes it a powerful tool for industries like finance, healthcare, and law. But if you're looking for something that can handle customer service, content generation, or just casual conversations, ChatGPT is the winner. Its engaging conversational style, global accessibility, and creative capabilities make it the go-to for businesses and individuals who want an AI that can interact in a natural and human-like way. It's important to remember that AI is still evolving, and both Claude AI and ChatGPT are likely to grow and improve as time goes on. The future of AI is full of possibilities, and it's exciting to think about how these two models will continue to develop. What do you think? Will Claude AI or ChatGPT dominate the future of AI? Let us know your thoughts.